guys, it's Marie with WTI. I got this Spongebob toothbrush for my son and he loves it. Even though we really don't watch SpongeBob, everyone knows the character and loves SpongeBob. So I had to get him this and he loves it. It vibrates, and if you don't like the vibration, sometimes he doesn't. So sometimes we turn it off. My son is 5, so I do let him brush his own teeth, but I start by brushing them first just to make sure he gets everywhere. Then he takes over and does it himself. It's really awesome, the vibration. So even if he misses some spots, the vibration takes care of it. If you look at the detail on this toothbrush, the colors really pop. You can see the on and off switch is a really awesome color yellow. It all is one cohesive piece. So if you're looking for a super fun, super awesome toothbrush and you want your child's hygiene to be A+, I definitely would highly recommend this product. And that's my point of view.